Good day, I am Fevia Biangca Garingarao, a graduating student from Lyceum Northwestern University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Before starting my internship at StraStan, I honestly only had basic knowledge about digital marketing. If I were to rate my skills back then, it would be a 7 out of 10 in graphic designing and 4 out of 10 in copywriting and 3 out of 10 in basic SEO. Although I had basic knowledge in editing and in using design tools, I still lacked confidence in applying my skills in a professional work environment, and I knew that I still had a lot to learn and improve. During my internship, I was assigned in different tasks such as creating social media content, media assets, company pitch decks, and infographics. I also performed SEO related tasks using the tools and applications provided by the company. These experiences helped me improve my creativity, technical skills, communication, and time management. Working on different projects also helped me become more confident and adaptable in a professional work environment. One of the challenges I experienced during my internship was adapting to unfamiliar tasks and producing contents that align with the company's branding and expectations. There are times that I found it difficult to develop ideas and make the necessary improvements to my work. However, with continuous practice and support from my supervisors, I was able to improve my skills, gain confidence, and manage my tasks more effectively. After completing my internship, I would rate my overall performance an 8 out of 10 because I was able to improve my skills and adapt well to the tasks given to me during the internship. I didn't give myself a perfect score because I know there are still areas where I can still continue to grow and gain more experience, especially in creating contents that requires deeper research and strategy. The internship helped me realize the importance of working well with others, being responsible, maintaining professionalism, and accepting feedback as part of continuous learning. It contributed greatly to my growth as a student and as someone preparing for a future career. As I end this internship journey, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my mentors, Ma'am Jenica and Ma'am Christilla, for their guidance, patience, and support. Their advice and encouragement helped me improve my skills and build more confidence in my work. I am also thankful to my co-interns for the teamwork, support, and shared effort throughout the experience. Working together made the task easier and the journey more enjoyable. And lastly, I would like to thank StraStan for giving me the opportunity to learn and experience real workplace tasks. This internship has been a valuable and memorable part of my college life. Thank you very much.